Hello children, today we'll be studying the fifth chapter of class 2 from English Gulmohar. Nani walks to the park. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Today, Vikas wants to go with her. I walk slowly, I take my time to get there, says Nani. I don't mind, Nani, says Vikas. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up the shopping bag and starts to cross the road. But Nani says, Vikas, the park is this way. We'll go that way, says Nani, pointing ahead. Let's go through the lane of treasures. The lane of treasures? What a wonderful name for the market. The shops here sell everything. Nani stops to buy milk and other things. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? No, smiles Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. So they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, Come, come. Suddenly dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. Then Nani and Vikas walk through a lane behind a little school. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langli, Lagori and Shakli. These are the types of game which people in India play. Is this the lane of noise? Vikas asked because there was a lot of noise. So Vikas covered his ears and so he asked to Nani that is this the lane of noise? Nani says, no, it's the lane of mischief. It makes me think of you and your friends, and she laughs. Have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? Asked Vishal. Not all, smiles Nani. Only the one that are important to me. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Nani's friends live in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they had grown old together. Nani and a friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friends and says goodbye. Come Vikas, we will now walk through the lane of dreams, says Nani. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas's school library. So this lane had a lot of books. The bookseller sells old books from very little money. Nani buys some books and says, let's go, we are almost at the park now. Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. Now what is the lane of magic? Let's see. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cool breeze. The road is covered in red and yellow flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. At last they are at the park and Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. So he says to Nani, he says, I like your lanes, Nani. Can I come with you next week too? And Nani says, yes, you can come. Thank you for hearing the story. This was the explanation. Just wait for the question and answers. Thank you.